Hello everybody. This is going to be a quick video showing how can you resell the Systeme.io PLR. So far a lot of people have asked me how can we sell the PLR. PLR is a great resource, to be honest. I'm very happy with the contents, what they are offering, and it's currently being sold everywhere for $97. So if you got it already and you are wondering how can you resell it, this video is going to be for you. If you haven't got it, you can always go and buy it from the link below this video. So let's get started very quickly. So the first thing is, once you get your PLR, if you check your courses, you will find that you have access to 8 courses in addition to one special course. The special course should be named Systeme.io PLR. So one of the courses that you will receive is called Systeme.io PLR. If you open this course is going to simply show you how to import all the courses inside your account. So all you need to do is go and import the courses one by one into your account, all 8 courses plus the PLR itself. Import them and import the funnel templates. Okay. Once this is done for all the courses, you need to go back to your dashboard and go to courses. You should be able to see now all the courses here like that. The first thing you need to do is make sure all the courses are enabled, so they are all active. Okay. Once you activate all the courses, go on and create a bundle. I created the bundle here called Systeme.io PLR package. You can simply create a bundle. It's a very easy thing. Once the bundle is created, go inside the bundle and start adding courses. So you can add the courses one by one, all the courses of the PLR to this bundle. Okay. Once the bundle is created, you are now completely ready to sell. You can either use the sales funnel that comes with the PLR package, or you build your own sales funnel. Let me show you an example of a funnel that I have here that's actually selling the PLR package. So this is a funnel, okay, that sells the PLR package. All you need to do is on the order form, you go to the resources and you assign a digital resource, and this digital resource should be the course bundle. And you choose the bundle that you just created and you give full-time access. And that's it. So simply right now, when somebody buys the PLR from you, he will get assigned this course bundle, which has all the courses of the PLR. So I hope this video was helpful. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me and ask me directly. Thank you.